Stringsters, this is Kathy with Virtually Strings. Today I am coming with you with the first of a series for beginning viola students. Alright, so the first thing we need to know is our different strings that are on the viola. Our first string right here, that's the C string. Then our next string is the G. That one would be the D, and then the top one is the A. Again, we have the C, the G, the D, and then the high string is the A. Okay, so to get started, the way we play the viola is to use basically using our fingers. We have 4 fingers that we use, and then we use the thumb to kind of help balance out our instrument on our shoulder. Our first finger is the pointer finger. Middle finger will be the second finger. The ring finger will be third, and the last finger is our pinky finger. Again, the index finger or the pointer finger, whichever way you call it, this is going to be our first finger. Our middle finger is our second finger, third finger with our ring finger, and our last finger, fourth finger, is going to be the pinky finger. Okay, so up here, the first finger is going to be the one that's closest to the squirrel or the nut right here. There's this little piece right here, if you can see it. It goes across right here, and that is called the nut. It divides the fingerboard from the squirrel box. So you're going to put your first finger right here. You're going to take your knuckle and just basically put it right there. And generally, for most people, it just naturally goes into first place. So we open and then first. Okay. Any string that you don't have any fingers down, that's automatically considered an open finger. So we're going to put it open, and then we'll put our second finger right here. Okay, so this right here, I'm on the D string, and I'm putting my first finger down on the E. So it'll be open, and then D to E. So depending on whether you are needing to a high second or a low second finger, which is an F or an F sharp, will depend on where you put your finger. If you're doing a low second or an F, you're going to put it right next to the first finger. So it'll be like this. And it's what we call a half step. A half step is basically no space in between the notes. So you would just do like that. So a whole step would be where you do the high second. And here you would have about a finger's width difference. This is your F sharp. So F, F sharp. So open D, E, F, and then F sharp. And then the next finger, our third finger, will generally go right next to the high second finger, and that will be our G. And that is our basic finger position. This is, again, for the key of D, or the D string, this is our basic finger position. Open, first, high second, and third. That's what we consider neutral. So open will be D, E, F sharp, and then G. The same fingering will happen on the other strings. So let me show you what those are. So over here on the C string, we have C, then D, then E, and then F. If you notice, F right here is automatically right next to that E. And that's why we say F instead of F sharp. Okay? Then we go over here to G, A, B, C. Then we're going back over to D, like we just learned. D, E, F sharp, G. Okay. Over here, open A. First finger would be B, C sharp, and then D. Okay. Again, that's our natural position right here, our neutral position. Okay, hopefully this video was very helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write them down below. Also, as always, like, subscribe, and share this video with other people. And have a great day.